So I've got these old-fashioned windows. These are, like 100-year-olds double hung with the weights in them. And so I'm going to show you a technique of replacing this rope. Now I've already taken the frame off on both sides and removed the access panel. And here you can see I have one of the new ropes started. And so in this case, because I have it apart, I'm going to go ahead and replace both of them. And so here's how I'm going to do it. Now I have to put the camera down, but I'm going to actually cut the rope right here. And then I'm going to take some blue tape and wrap it around and feed the new rope like this. So I'll have to put it down and then I'll show you the next step. Now here we are. What I did off camera was I cut the old rope and then I took the new rope and I just put some blue tape around it. And now you reach in here and just very gently pull that down. And there you have it. And so now we have thread the new rope in. So if you're wondering how I did this side where I had a broken cord, so here's the broken cord, and there was nothing there. And it's like, well, how do you thread that one down there? So I don't have a tripod, so I can't show it to you, but I can describe it. First thing I do is cut the end of this off and I shoved it in that hole. And I just kept shoving and shoving and shoving and got a whole bunch in there, all right? Now the next thing I did was I grabbed this tool. And then let's see if I can somehow put the phone down. Now there's a little grabber thing on the end, right? See that? So what I did was, I just simply shoved this up the hole like this, and then I grabbed it and then pulled it through. And I don't have a tripod with me because I'm on a job site. But anyway, that's how you did it. And then now I measured, I attached the new cord here to the anchor. I just put a knot in it. And then I measured how many inches from the old one that was from this top here. And in my case, it was 7.5 inches. And that's when I put a knot in. So the next thing you do is you cut this off and then you replace it. There's a nail that goes in the window. All right, so the nail goes through the knot. And then right here, let me see if I get it in the light so you can see it. Here. And if you look down there, you'll see the nail hole. So you run the cord down here and then you tap that nail in. And then that's how you replace that. And then once the window's back in, I'll show you when the window's back in. We have to put the cover plates back on here. You slide the windows in and then I'll show it to you at that stage. So here I have the rope in and I put the little nail in on each side, and then you slide that window in and then you put the trim on and then repair the trim. So there's the other side. And then you can now have a fully functioning double hung antique window. And it's really not that bad once you've done it a time or two. Now here you can see where I've installed the trim back in, and then the next step is you need to sand this down and repaint that joint. But that's just how this system works on these antique windows. So I hope you found that helpful, and I'll put a link in the description for this grabber tool.